This is Loona. She's gonna be your new best friend. As you walk around, Loona tags along. She's very well trained and listens to both vocal and gesture commands. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Loona? Go grab it. Loona loves to play. She's also a master laser light chaser. I'm gonna catch you, laser light. And so much more. Worried about your home when you're away? Want your pet to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Daddy, where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
So, this is Loona. She's friendly, super cute, and super playful. Everything you can ask for in a best friend. Or better yet, a new family member.